Hey everybody, Nick here from bundleIQ. I want to show you a quick demo on how you can use bundleIQ for research and recall. So what you're looking at now is a brand new workspace. It's just a demo workspace preloaded with two notes here that come with the app. And I'm gonna go and search. Today, I just came up with an idea to search about like rare earth metal stocks. So let's say we're trying to understand the rare earth metal landscape. And I'm not going to really spend too much time trying to figure out which pieces of content are maybe most credible. What I'm going to do is just open up a bunch of these and just save some content so that we can quickly build up the workspace. All right, let's see. Here we go. And as long as you have the Chrome extension installed, you can easily save content as a note. So I'm going to do that. And then basically it'll add all of this content to the workspace. All right, here we go. All right, save as note. Let's see, let's add some more information. So rare earth metals for EV. Let's see. There we go. Save this. So copper, magnesium, or manganese. Let's save this. Again, I'm not really trying to figure out what's actually a good stock to invest in, but I just want to save a bunch of content so that we have an example here. So we'll go ahead and refresh this. And what happens next is Bundle kind of runs all this data through its AI, and then it'll connect you to the most relevant content. So based on this note here, you're going to see over here that this is that same note, that this note here is most relevant. So this is 66% relevant score, 60, 45, 38, and obviously 6, 0. So you can see how bundleIQ basically takes this content, runs some machine learning, builds out what we call a knowledge graph, and then basically can help connect the dots for you so that you can read the most relevant information based on what you're searching. So it works inside of here, and then it also works up here as a search. So if I were to search here, let's say copper and cobalt. Here we go. This is the most relevant content here, and I could actually click on this and go back to that Google search. And this gives you kind of the confidence score. So yeah, that's basically the gist of it. I hope you enjoyed the demo, and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.